Now let we have to publish that QR code generator website. So search for 00 web host. Now let's click on get started. Select that free plan, free sign up. Now sign up here. I will log in with Google. And here is I have login. Now so here select other and enter your project name. My project name will be QR code generator site and click on submit button. Now we have to upload that site file, so click on upload your site. Here enter your project name and password. Sign in. Now in public_html directory we have to upload our site. So let's start uploading that files. Select it and I will upload it manually. It was showing error for me, so I have uploaded all the CSS and JavaScript file manually. So now let's visit the site. Click on this link and our site will be live. So with 00 web host we can publish our sites free and it will be live.